Okay, so good morning, children. Today we have also math subject. So today we will revise the yesterday's topic, which is ones and tens. So today we will learn ones and tens with abacus. As you can see, this is abacus. Okay, so look at the abacus. There are two rods in the abacus, and rod on the right side we call it ones, and rod on the left side we call it tens. So there are two rods in this abacus, ones and tens. There is also can be a third rod which we will call ones, tens, and then third rod will be 100. As we count ones, tens, 100, so the third rod will be 100. Okay, kids. So as we have understand yesterday that a group of 10, one group of 10, we call them 110. So here we can see two group of 10. Okay, there are 10 grapes in each bunch. So 110 is here and 110 is here. So we have two group of tens. So we will call it two tens and 1, 2, 3. 3 loose numbers, so it is 3 ones. So as you can see here, we have an abacus. Here are in ones 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So there are 1, 2, 3. 3 beads in the abacus in one's side. And how many tens is in here? There are 2 tens, because there are two pair of there are two groups of tens. So we'll write here 2 tens. So that's why here is 2 beads in tens side. So that's why we will write in ones 1, 2, 3 ones. So we will write here 3 ones. And how many tens we have? 2 tens. 110 is here and 110 is here. So 2 tens. Also we have to do this in abacus. So here it has done for you, but in the exercise you have to do it with yourself. As you can see in this abacus, as there are how many beads in one side? 1, 1, 2, 3. So how many beads in one side? 3. And how many beads in 10 side? 1. So 110 and 3 ones. So 110 means 10 and 3 ones means 3. Okay, so now what you will write here? How many tens? 1 tens and 3 ones. Or you can also write here 1 tens, 3 ones. Okay, you don't have to write and. This is optional. Either you can write or you don't have to. Okay, so as you can see in this example, like we have how many beads in ones? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in ones. And how many tens we have? 1. So 110. Okay, we will not write here tens, only 110 we have. So 110 and 3 ones, or we can write 110, 3 ones. Next, again we will see an example. How many ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. And how many tens? 110. So again we will write here 110 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So 110 and 6 ones equals to 16. Okay. So today I am giving you an exercise regarding this, and you have to do this into your notebook. As I am showing you, you have to do it like this way in your notebook. Here we will see another example. Okay, so here we have a bakers. In ones place there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones and 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. So 3 tens plus 7 ones. 3 tens means 30. 7 ones means 7. So 30 plus 7 equals to 37. Again you can see. So we have a number 7 to 72. So 2 in ones and 7 in tens. So how many beats we have to draw here? In ones 2. So we will draw here 2 beats. 1, 2. Okay. And in tens, how many beats we have to draw? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 2 beats in ones place, and 7 beats in tens place. So 7 tens and 2 ones. 7 tens means 70. 2 ones means 2. So 70 plus 2 equals to 72. Okay, got it? So I will give you this exercise to do into your notebook. Okay, you will do as I am showing the examples.